Hello everyone. We're going to have a test with a baritone saxophone with a SaxSeat tool. As you see, I load down the actual cap because it's a much bigger instrument than the tenor sax, the baritone. And here we are again. I can rest my baritone sax on the actual cap. I still have the rotation, and as I have my strap just to have the whole instrument near my mouth, and it was exactly fantastic, the same as the tenor. Now, it's unbelievable. Nobody could imagine this big saxophone, somebody can play it without even a strap. It's amazing actually. You have such a big instrument just resting on your cap, and then you can perform it without even the strap. It's so amazing. It gives you so much flexibility, and anybody actually now you can start playing the tenor, the baritone sax without even worry about the weight of this instrument. And it works again the same sideways. I'm not having even my strap on. And as you see, it's so relaxing, so flexible, and so cool, you know. It keeps me in a nice posture without even, as we know, most of them, they have to hold it and bend down. That's the worst thing you can do to your back and, you know, to your body by years and years playing in this kind of position. This thing, what it does actually, it just for you to keep at the perfect posture, the nice, correct position, and you can practice as long as you want. As many hours as you want with no any problems actually.